Even we are poor and rural children, let us celebrate Children's Day on this day. So friends, join with us to celebrate this Children's Day on this 14 November 2025 with this young kid.
Happy Children's Day!
Hey, 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 hey. Ale mei, ale ba, ale yashat banga, ale ba, ale kom, ale yashat semua. Haba deka pemen, kapor yashat semua. Ale ingin yashat lang bakomenta. Shat, 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 ale to yashat lang. Shat, 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 sabla kente seberang. Shat, 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 iki lok pa, kena runtuh shat lang mentang.
Children's Day is celebrated in India to raise awareness program about the right education and welfare of children. It is celebrated on 14 November every year on the birthday of the first Prime Minister of India,
Jawaharlal Nehru,
who was known to have been fond of children. Let us define children as every child is a different kind of flower, and all together they make this world a beautiful garden. May your childhood be full of laughter, learning, and love. The world shines brighter when children smile. Keep shining and spreading happiness. Children are the most precious gift of God. May you grow with wisdom and kindness. And from my side, I would like to say that don't provoke your children to anger, but teach them the right way. Thank you.